How to upload images on Chat GPT. Hi everyone, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload images on Chat GPT. Whether you're seeking visual AI assistance or want help analyzing an image, I'll guide you through the entire process. First, open your web browser and visit Chat GPT at chat.openai.com. Make sure you're signed in with your OpenAI account. If you have access to GPT-4 with image capabilities, make sure you select that model. Image input may only be available on specific versions. Look for the Image Upload button, usually indicated by an icon resembling a photo or an attachment clip. Click on it. Once you click the Upload button, your File Explorer will open. Select the image you want to upload and click Open. After uploading, you'll see the image appear in the chat window. You can now type your query and Chat GPT will analyze the image or provide assistance based on it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload an image on Chat GPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.